Hi folks, I welcome you to my class, HTML class. In this class, I'm going to show you how to develop website for website developer as a beginner. So with our phone, how to develop website with our phone, I'm going to show you now. So now let's start with this. You open your app, which is Trebedit. You can see it. Trebedit, that's the name of the app. So if you want to start it, you will start with this. You open, you see this icon here, menu. So just tap it. When you tap it, you see learn to code, you see get source code, you see workspace, you see text editor. So but since we are going to develop website with HTML, so we tap on this icon. So in this icon, then you are going to start another. You need to create a folder. So you come to this icon plus here, you tap it. So then you can see we have new project, new file, import folders, import file. But this one you are going to tap new project. So it means that we are going to create a file for the a folder rather. Sorry, a folder for the work that we are going to work on now. So let's try to name it class one. Class one. That's the name of the folder. You can see now you can see the folder here. Then we have to tap this plus icon again to create new files. You can see new file that you create it. So let's see new file. Let's see um uh be beginner. So beginner dot okay, maybe we should change it to something else. Let's see class one dot html. If you don't add HTML, this icon greater than less than will not appears there. So let's look at this HT. You can see what it brings here. So the moment you have ML, so it appears to this one. Okay, so which means that you must add dot HTML, whatever you want, whatever file you want to create. Then let's save it. Then you open it now. So when you open it, you can see the space here is very blank here. So you see number one. This number one here shows that the number of codes or the attributes that tags that you are going to include here. So this icon here, like memory card icon there, is for save, while this one is for play. So you can see it appears saved. If we press display now, it will play. You can see nothing displays here, right? So good. So now we are going to start here. So if you want to start the class here now, you will start with greater than which is open tag here, or we call it this greater than here. So this exclamatory mark here, then you will type doc in capital letter, doc type, then you give it space, then you enter HTML. You can see doc in yellow color, while HTML is white color. Then you close it here. When you close it, you tap this enter. In this enter here, you see it brings another number, which is number 2. So since we are going to work on HTML, you type HTML. So HTML. So what language are you going to use? We are going to use American English. So it's going to be, you add lang here. So let me show you very well this lang. Then you have equal to then this quotation marks, you open it. Then you can see that it brings another one immediately. So then you write in dash in US here. Then you close it. When you close it, it brings another HTML here, okay, with slash here. Okay, now let's look at this here. So if you want to work on it now, so you under it we will have head here. So under this head, it brings another head. You press enter again. So under the head here we have title. title. So you see title here is based on another title. Let's assume that our title is first class. First class. That is it. Then you save it. You can see save here. So then you place it. Nothing still what appears here, but we can see first class at the top of this beside this arrow here. You can see the first class here. Look at it very well. First class is here. So that is where the title will appear. So title of the files that we are creating. So now then we move under this close tag edge. All these things are called what? Tag. This one is close tag edge. So you come down here where we type body. So you can see body brings another body immediately. Then you press down here. Inside this body, whatever we type in this body will be appear on this screen. This white screen is be appearing there. So whatever we type there. But before we type anything, then we need to open this H1. So that is it. That one is heading here. So H1, that's head. So you type something there under this head here. So when you type it, let us know that you want to type this is our first class. This is our first class. Let's see what's going to happen there. Wow, you can see it appears there. So that's it. It appears as this is our first class. And I must tell you that if you change this H1 to H2, the size of this this is our first class will be reduced. Let's look at this. Let's change it to H3. Let's change to A3 here. So the font size will be, you can see it has been what reduced there. Okay, so that's it there. So now let's change back to H1. But if you the first tag here, if you make it H3 and the close tag you make it H1, it will not work very well. You can see still remain H3. So it means that whatever you give in your open tag there, that's what you're going to give the close tag. So let's make it H1 again, so it appears bigger again. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one after that is this P. This element P here. So this P means paragraph. It means what's paragraph here. Now let's type something. This is the class where you will learn how to develop websites with your Android phone. Full stop. And let's see what's going to happen here. So wow, you can see it's as simple as that. This is how we can just design our website. This is the beginning. Now we still have other things that we can still learn. So that is that. Okay, bye. See you next time.